Hey everyone, need to create a professional flyer for an event, business, sale, or announcement. Canva makes the entire process quick and beginner-friendly with thousands of customizable templates. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to make a flyer in Canva from start to finish. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Canva account, then search for flyer in the search bar or click Create a Design and select the flyer format. Canva will open a new canvas with the standard flyer dimensions. Next, browse Canva's flyer templates and pick one that matches your purpose. Whether you're promoting an event, advertising a business, or announcing a special offer, there's likely a template that fits your style. Yeah, you can customize every part of it later. Now replace the placeholder text with your own information. Add your title, event details, contact information, pricing, or any other content your audience needs. Clear and readable text is one of the most important parts of an effective flyer. To make your flyer more eye-catching, add photos, icons, shapes, or illustrations. You can use Canva's built-in library or upload your own images from your computer. Choose visuals that support your message without making the design feel crowded. Next, adjust the colors and fonts to match your brand or event theme. Use contrasting colors to improve readability and limit yourself to just a few fonts for a clean, professional appearance. Yeah, consistency makes a big difference. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Share, then Download. For digital sharing, PNG or JPG works well. If you're planning to print your flyer, choose PDF print for the best print quality. That helps preserve sharp text and images, and that's how to make a flyer in Canva. With customizable templates, simple editing tools, and high-quality export options, you can create professional flyers for almost any purpose in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.